だから必ずこういう面置くじゃなくて、こういう面置くんですよ。だからここやったら少なく、だからこうだったらできますよ。やってできるでしょ。今分かった、やっと分かったね。だからこれやるときはこういうふうに向きは絶対ダメです。こっち向くでから時々は少しずつからできるように、ここだったらポンって中入っちゃうんですよ。
なるほど。
俺子供通じない、ちょっとこれ以上の言葉はないので、日本語できませんので、イヤリングは2つの方法あるんですよ。2つ方法あるんですよ。ここは1面だけですね。それではここ中行くときはこう斜めにもなってるから、だからナイフ行くときは、もしナイフ行くときはこの中入る場合はその必ず上向け。これはもう
じゃあまとめると、これはこの正しい向きに置いていかないと逆になっちゃうってこと。
そう正しくない。
今の英語でいいんで記録しときましょう。英語でいいです。英語でいいです。
when you cut the corner block, okay?
録画します。これ絶対ください、この映像。
Okay. So when we make violin, you have to with the corner block. So you have to go with the follow the earring, not against it. So for example, this one, okay, follow is this way, against is this way. Sorry, again, and against, follow, this is against, this is follow. Okay, so if you put the earring like this, and on the top, this is following. Okay, then you can make a little by little. You can always cut it down. It's very easy, right? So you can put it here. Okay, then you can cut a little by little like this. Okay, but if you put it this way, then it's likely you can cut too much. You cut, see?
No.
You take more.
Yeah.
So this is very dangerous. If you put this way, you cut boom, it's going in. So this is something I try to explain to my student all the time, but my Japanese just not bring me out. I just feel so awkward.
I have a question.
Yes?
What way?
How do you know?
How
you
do
can
you know?
put your knife, try a little. For me, it's just experience. When I see wood, I know where it goes. But it's very difficult for to teach people how to watch it. But how can you know? You just cut a little, then you know this is okay. Follow. This is against.
So before I setting the corner block, we have to check. Yeah, okay.
Okay, you have to check. Make sure that you are not going this way, but you're only going this way. From this way, if the corner block is here, you can always cut a little by the shape you like. Okay, you can cut any shape. For example, you cut this shape, you can always go like this, no problem. Okay, now you can go this like this. You can always go down like this. Okay? If this, you cut down, you cut too much already. Okay?
Okay.
Understand? 裏板つけないと安定できないから。 when we make violin, one of the most important process is to make the set of the violin. So, for example, here I have violin back. Okay. Then I have violin top. I have violin top, and I have violin back here. Okay. The best top, and the best back does not promise best violin. It is the same like you make a match with two people. 妹妹们，你们稍微安静一点。你们不要说话了啊，我们再做一个 video 啊。好，安静一下啊。OK。So it's like a match, a boy and a girl. The best handsome, the most handsome boy and the most beautiful girl, they may not be the best couple. They may not be the best couple. Same like a violin. You cannot only see the quality, you have to see the match, how to match each other. And I cannot just tell you in the video to tell you what is best match. You cannot learn violin making just by a video. I can tell you after my so many years research, my study at university or my research, I have my way to match them together by the pitch. By pitch. Because every single violin played a different pitch. For example, I don't know if you can hear, this is lower and this is higher. So every piece, the pitch is different. Same like back. Same. This is higher. This is lower. So all have their character. You have to find a relationship between two plates. Okay. This is what I'm doing now. I'm matching them together to see if they suit each other. So, for example, these two, they will not be very good match because their tone is not in harmony. Okay, they are not in harmony. So if you're not in harmony, you put them together, they will not have good resonance. They will fight each other, these two plates. Okay, so I have to find another plate for this top. This is good. These two are going together very well. This violin is turned out to be very sweet, harmony. A good harmony violin. Okay, good sound violin. Okay, this is one. That's decided. Okay, I'm going to do one by one. I don't want to film everything. So I just ask my students to stop film because I've got a job to do. Okay? Cut. The next is to put the violin together. First, we do on the back first. The back first. What do? We use hide groove. The most important is the corner block. Okay, you have to make sure the groove is enough on the corner block. The corner block, you have to have enough. Okay. 胶很浓啊。
熬的时间长。
嗯。
这要熬几个小时呢。
嗯。好像我们没有这么浓的。
不浓，粘的不结实。
嗯，哎。
是你没有那么粘的粘合度不够。
結構濃いね。
もっと薄くてもいい。
うちはそんな濃いやってないんで。
さっきの人は先に水つけてましたけど、そんな必要ないですか？
ちょっと水つけたんですけど、このところ。
最初に全部水つけてから、
それから柔らかくするために、
煮皮を？
そう。煮皮じゃなくて、もっと全部つけるように。こうやりましたよね。
そう。最初に水つけてから。
だから水つけてる理由は、その煮皮ちゃんと中入るように。うちの煮皮はその必要ない。
うちの煮皮は強いからですか？
うん、もっと薄いんで、この濃いじゃないんだ。你过来看。
只要这4个角和中控对了就行。
这里面有线的啊。
有，这是拼的。
这样。
啊。
OK， 那上架子。
这也压不坏。
但是这里有些角膜了。
可以放着。
我们的架子高，很好弄。就是上面这个吧。
用这个。
来做嘛。
你今儿上午上哪去了？是给你剪的。没有，俺这一块的，俺这是中，俺这个剪的。这样下去吃个饭。这个放这里玩一会儿。
ちょっと待って。これいらないんで。
もう過ぎちゃう。
ニースやろう同じ方法でちょっとやってからこういうふうでいいからね。ニースやろう同じような。そう。 こういうやり方も口皮使いますね。だからこうして上のせるね。センターライン気をつけてね。
这儿给他放了一个印儿。
This I have to choose the bass bar. This is the bass bar I have choosing for my violins.